I kind of like this Cobra. It's got like the essence of the Cobras, what they were designed for. So this basically has the essence of racing to it, not show car, more race car. I like that. All right, we're gonna keep going down here, guys. It's got some nice tubs in there. Fuel cell.
Kenny's blue is 98 or 99. I think this was 20. You want a 10?
Yeah, 10. Probably 10.
Yeah, a little bit.
Nice Chevy too. Well, this is tubbed as well. Tell me a little bit, Sean, Junkyards and Barn Finds. I didn't know if you want to talk about your car for a little bit.
Yeah, we got a 327 in here, small block Chevy. Just recently did the top half of the motor, put a new intake on. We got the Holly carburetor in here.
What are you running for a transmission? Automatic?
Yeah, automatic.
Okay, turbo 400.
Right.
Do you have a turbo 400?
Yeah,
okay, that's me. I'm Sean with Junkyards and Barn Finds. And I saw you got tubs in here, so.
Yeah.
What do you got for gear? Like 456, 411s?
Yeah, we got 411s.
411? Yeah. Really clean,
Yeah,
really
just
clean
put
car.
the high-rise intake on there, so we just did that last week. So
Okay. And it came with the power brakes with the double, or did you guys upgrade that?
Upgraded it.
Oh, okay. So
still a work in progress, but it's good.
hey, they're all work in progress. So you're either bankrupt or you sell it, one of the two. So thanks, man.
Nice to meet you.
You too. So welcome to another episode of Junkyards and Barn Finds with Sean, and I'm Sean. Looks good. Nice Riviera here. Look at this. Really nice. Automatic. Oh, Buick Wildcat. I almost bought one of these Buick Wildcats back in the day. I think I want to say it's like a 64. Is it a 64 Wildcat? Back in the day I was going to buy one and I just didn't. Okay, here we go. 70 Chevelle, gold, black roof, SS 454 Chevelle, 4-speed. My favorite car, my favorite color, my favorite stripes. I'm wondering if this looks identical to my high school car up here.
Huh?
There you go, guys. That was my car in high school. Exactly. Same stripe, except my interior was, the interiors of mine was not black. it was camel.
Right here. So when my guys cleaned it.
Oh, nice.
She's talking away too.
A lot of pro street, a lot of pro stock cars down here.
I like things in a straight line. I don't like interrupt. That was a fear.
Are you ready? Keep going. You're just trying to get out.
All right, well, look.
So you're going to go.
Oh, sorry, it's all right. Very sweet car.
Yeah. And, no, that's something else. And I had
This just keeps on going, guys, all the way down there. Nice GTO. It's a really nice GTO. All right, we're gonna walk down here, and then we gotta walk about 2 miles that way. 2 miles back, but we're gonna do it. And yes, there's this many cars here, and this road is like 3 miles of just cars. So if we were at this is like going around the track in Daytona.
Chevy Nova.
I see that car.
Yeah, it's got eyes.
In the map.
Elise, ready?
Is this thing even legal?
Here, guys, you're gonna be on my YouTube channel because
Thanks.
we're filming, so they're gonna be on it.
Thank you.
You were at Doylestown.
Huh?
I watched your video at Doylestown.
Yeah.
One of your videos.
Yeah, I've been all over the country. I'm supposed
Yeah.
to be in North Carolina right now,
Awesome.
but
Thanks
it's
for coming
raining,
to
so I figured I'd
Doylestown.
come here.
Glad you're here.
Oh yeah, I still got about 4 more Doylestown. We got Carlisle. We just put up the NASCAR because I was up here for the race, and so.
Thanks for supporting our show in Doylestown.
Oh yeah. Yeah, guys, this isn't a factory option or anything. This is a little less than stock. Hey, how you doing?
How you doing?
Good. Is this yours?
With paper.
Huh? I'm not with the paper. We're with Junkyards and Barn Finds. We're a YouTube channel. We're a YouTube channel. We cover cars around the country. NASCAR cars.
69 GS.
Is a 1, 2, stage 1, stage,
No.
or just
Plain 400
regular?
GS.
All original?
Number 9.
The original color?
My father bought it brand new in 69.
Wow. It stayed in the family.
I got it in 2005. It was mine. It was frame off restoration 96 to 98. 28 grand frame off. On a $3,200 brand new car.
Yeah.
32. If you could buy a car like this for $3,200 today, they'd go out of business. They wouldn't be able to keep up with the inventory.
Oh yeah.
Now these electric shits coming out, these new Mustangs, and new Camaros. And,
Yeah. Well, and these were built to last too. So.
Give me an idea. Give me an idea of what you think production number was on this model.
On a GS ragtop, is it a 4-speed? On automatic console, power steering, power brakes. I would say 2,300.
32.95.
32.95.
And he didn't get the FM and AM rating. $29, you would have had an AM FM radio.
Yeah, and well, whoever bought it wasn't racing it, because if they did, they would have bought the bench instead of because it would be a lighter.
No, my father bought it for my mother to go shopping with.
And you had to get
Traded
the
it.
GS.
We went from Buick over here to Jarrett Dodge over here.
Right.
Jarrett Dodge, we had a 65 Polara 550 convertible, black, red interior, black top. That was my mother's shopping car, push button transmission.
Right.
Took it across the street. My dad traded it in on this. New.
Now, did your dad pick it out or your mom picked it out?
Now my father picked it up.
Oh, okay. So does it have air?
Yep.
So it's an air with ragtop. So that's a rare right there. So I mean,
It's a
I live in
automatic.
I live in Florida, so down there a lot of people get the air with the ragtop because it's so hot in the summer. But up here, that's a rarity for a northern car. Yeah, that's a rare thing for a northern car.
This is your ram air. These are working scoops.
Yeah.
Kids look at them and say, "Well, Dad, look at the chrome on top of the hood."
Yeah, it's like
But
no.
they actually, that's where your air goes in for the carburetor.
And the fact that you never, like nobody day two'd it where they put in all the chrome stuff and you just left it as is, was.
This is all number matching cars.
That's what I'm saying. I mean, even the air cleaners, a lot of stuff that leaves and people change out things to fancy and make day two stuff. You know, they do it when it's a couple years old. Nobody ever touched it, so it's like.
This came with power brakes, power steering, all factory, number matching.
Sweet car.
$32.95 brand new. $28,000 restoration.
Yeah.
I put 6 into it since I've had it, and everything just keeps going and going. And I finally got it in the garage 2 years ago.
And this is like the first body style like this, and this led to like the 69 and the 70 body style. So this was, because this one was the.
How I described. See this pinstripe?
Yeah.
Did I get that?
Yeah.
That's a natural. That's a natural crease. 68,
Right.
69.
They
that
went to
was
it.
it.
Right, and then they went to the different one. They were more Chevelle-like. If you looked at the other ones, you kind of look Chevelle, but this was the first one that had these kind of lines that were different from the square body Chevelles. But then the one style after this kind of went into the 442 Chevelle.
I've had a lot of people look at my 66 Skylark and compare it to their 66 Chevelle.
Yeah.
Because it's the same General Motors body design.
Right.
It just makes a difference with the motor and everything.
Yeah.
So what you end up doing is 68, 69, 70, they took it straight.
Yeah,
changed
that's what I'm
it.
saying. They changed it.
Even the plain Skylarks, they made it straight. The
Yeah.
TS, the stage 1, stage 2s, wherever, were all 455 cubic inch.
Right. Yeah, the big one.
This is a factory 400 cubic inch from the factory, numbers matching it.
And white with red. I mean, that's like,
Yeah, it looks nice with the top down, but
Yeah.
I just put $1,800 on the top.
now did it originally have a black top or a white top?
No, black top.
Black.
It's the second top since my dad bought the car in '69.
And it has power windows too.
Yep.
And so all around.
That's hard.
That's a real rarity. I've seen a lot of these. I don't think I ever saw them with power windows.
So if it starts to rain and I'm standing down there, my car's going to get wet.
Yeah.
Because nobody put the thing up without having the key turned on.
What was your name?
Dan.
Dan, I'm
Ryan.
Sean.
Sean.
So thanks for talking to us. So,
I appreciate that.
Yeah.
I think recognize it here after
well,
29 shows. Nobody sees it.
well, we have people all over the world that watch us, so there's a lot of people that.
Well, my father was president of Chamber of Commerce for 15 years. After it.
April, should they subscribe to this channel even if they don't like cars today for this one?
Probably just for this one.
Where it says merchandise store right here, merchandise store link, you will see it says https:/junkyards-barn-finds with, and you click on that and it's going to take you here.